Hey everybody, welcome back to Invest, Buy, and Sell with Jael. Today we're going to talk about cold calling, why it's important, who should do it, and what the tips and tricks are to be successful in it. Make sure you click the subscribe button and stay tuned until the end so you can get the 4 most important tips to get started in your cold calling journey. Cold calling is a very powerful tool that any business owner or entrepreneur should be utilizing. Major corporations cold call for prospects and clients, and I feel that everyone should be cold calling to make their business more predictable. Cold calling is something that I was introduced to when I became a real estate agent, and I had a great mentor that guided me through ways to keep people on the phone and different tips and tricks that were important when cold calling. Cold calling is something that can be done by all of us, but a lot of people have fear associated with it. I'm here to tell you it's not as scary as you think. It also can make your business more predictable, and it is something that is trackable. Once you perfect your craft, just like anything else, you can determine when you'll have your next appointment or business opportunity from cold calling. A lot of people say it's dated and it's a thing of the past, but for me, it's an easy way to build rapport with people that you may not have met in person or may never will. So I think cold calling is very important to growing your business. 4 things that I want to share with you about cold calling. Number 1 would be take action. Just pick up the phone. You're not going to be good at something the first time that you try it, but with repetition, you get better and better as you go. So you got to pick up the phone to get started. Number 2 would be use a script, guys. I know everyone says, I don't want to sound scripted, but here's the deal. Our favorite TV shows, our favorite movies, the best speakers, top athletes, all of these people use a script. And the more you practice your script, the less scripted you will sound. Number 3, get a Google number so that when leads call you back or you get business, you know that that came from cold calling specifically. And that's what I was talking about with tracking. That way you'll be able to say, hey, I got this contact from cold calling, and tally it up in your numbers and make it more predictable in the future. Number 4 would be consistent. Being consistent is the key to everything. I've even had issues with being consistent. But once you are, your business will be more easy to come by. And you'll know when the next lead is coming in or when your next appointment is. And that just fills up your pipeline to make sure that you close more transactions or more sales, whatever it may be in your business. I hope that these cold calling tips were helpful, but if you still feel like you need more help with cold calling, feel free to reach out to me and join my course about cold calling. I'm helping a lot of people do great things within their business, whatever it may be. And make sure that you subscribe before you leave. Like and comment about cold calling or any experiences that you've had. I appreciate you coming back to my channel, Invest, Buy, and Sell with Jael. Have a good one. Thanks.